Okay, so let's do last one. Number 18. Actually, let me see how many. Next time we finish. If one's fellow sinned against him, so it's number 18, and he did not wish to admonish him, nor speak with him at all about what he did, and he forgave him in his heart, and did not harbor hatred against him, nor did he admonish him, this is the act of virtue. For with regard to the sins between one man and his fellow, the Torah objects only to the harboring hatred. So let me read the commentary and I'm going to explain. For example, because the sinner was extremely simple-minded or mentally imbalanced. So if this person, so it says here, Kitzur said, all of these things were said, or many of these things that we said or explained, is not, for a person not to have hatred in his heart. So if he does not have hatred in his heart, and somebody did to him whatever he did, and he is not angry with the person, so there is no problem whatsoever, right? Okay, so we can stop here. Any questions?